If you're thinking about buying the Samsung Odyssey G5 G50F, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped gaming monitor? Let's find out. The first thing that stands out is the display. This monitor comes with a 27-inch QHD panel. That means a sharper image than standard 1080p. Games look crisp. Text is clear. And videos have plenty of detail. It also has a 180Hz refresh rate. If you're coming from a 60Hz monitor, the difference is huge. Everything feels smoother. Fast-paced games are much more enjoyable. The 1ms response time also helps reduce motion blur, giving you a cleaner image during intense action. Samsung also includes support for AMD FreeSync. That helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering when paired with a compatible graphics card. The overall gaming experience feels more fluid. Now, let's talk about picture quality. Colors look vibrant, and the monitor supports HDR10. Don't expect premium HDR performance, though. It's a nice bonus, but it's not on the same level as high-end HDR displays. Still, for everyday gaming and watching content, it looks good. The design is simple and modern. The slim bezels make it look clean on a desk. Build quality is solid for the price. However, the stand is pretty basic. You can tilt the screen, but you won't get height adjustment or swivel. If ergonomics matter, you may want to use a VESA monitor arm. Connectivity is also decent. You get DisplayPort and HDMI, making it easy to connect a gaming PC or console. So, are there any downsides? Yes. The HDR experience is limited. The stand lacks adjustment options. And while the colors are good, professional content creators may want something with higher color accuracy. So, is the Samsung Odyssey G5 G50F legit or a scam? It's definitely legit. You're getting a sharp QHD display, a fast 180Hz refresh rate, smooth gameplay, and solid overall performance at a competitive price. It delivers what it promises. There are a few compromises, but nothing unexpected for this price range.